Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to download Microsoft Loop for Android and iOS. In this video I am providing you demonstration using my iPhone. You can do same process for Android device also. What is the new, how to use, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here App Store and just simply search here or type here Microsoft Loop. Look at this, the first application is display here. You just simply download this application. Application size is very small, like a 38 MB only. So application features look like this. Rating is also nice. After download, you just simply tap it, get start, turn on or not now, get start, let's go. So many features are available. So here you can sign in using your email address. So I just simply sign in here using my email address. So look at this, I sign in here. Here is my email address, storage space and remaining. New idea, let's see. Research Rocks, search here. So here is idea, like a speech project related idea, new things related idea. You can share this one with your colleagues, your friends, whatever you want. Share this one. Here workspace, demo workspace. You can use this one same in your laptop screen also. Favorites, here notification and home. So this is a simple tips and tricks to download Microsoft Loop and use it like this.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.